Well, this is Texas weather for you. Jeez. Oh, is that a newspaper? Oh, crap. Oh, crap. Okay. Let's get that umbrella out. Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay. Mercy. Huh. Jeez, I hope I don't get struck by lightning or something. Oh my gosh. You think it's bad here? Just wait until I move back to Missouri on the 23rd of June. It's gonna be much worse than this chaos right now. It's gonna be much worse. Jeez. Oh my gosh. Oh, crap. Oh. Okay. Oh, crap. Yeah. You can see that hitting that. Okay. Hold on, let me at least situate myself. There we go. Okay. Holy crap. Okay, I think it's calming down a little bit. Okay, yeah, it sounds like it's definitely calming down. Okay, then. Oh my gosh. I'm so glad I have this umbrella. Jeez. Oh, it's getting harder. The lane's starting to get harder. Oh, crap. You hear that? Okay. Oh, look, it's a mail truck. Oh, crap. Okay. Oh, crap. Okay. You see this? Jeez. Okay, then. Crap. Oh, darn it. Yeah. Okay, is it calming down? Okay, good. I think I'm gonna go back inside. Oh, crap. Okay. Okay, yeah, let's go back inside. Or just stand right here. Oh, crap. Okay. Don't need this anymore. Crap. There we go. Crap. Hold on. Needed. Crap. This is why you don't hold in a... This is the troubles of having only one hand available. Okay, there we go. No, crap. Well, I think I'm going to end this video here. Hope you enjoyed. And that's it for this video. Bye.